Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng weekly reading for Pisces from October 16 to October 22, 2023. Okay, alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibilidad, mga possibilities na mangyari for Pisces for this week. Okay, gamit ang ating tarot cards. Reminder lang po Pisces na ito ay general reading. So, pwede pong mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi. Okay? And welcome po ang lahat ng gender. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood. And yung mga taong dinidil nyo, take nyo lang po kung mag-resonate. Okay? So, kung meron po kayo naririnig na mga background noises Pisces, pasensya na po. Okay? Pag hindi po mag-resonate sa sitwasyon nyo Pisces, huwag pong ipilit. Okay? So, ano po ang gabay for Pisces sa araw na for this week? 9 of Swords. Okay. So, pwedeng you're dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. Ano pa po ang message niyo po for Pisces? 9 of Swords. Nakikita niyo umiiyak itong taong to or meron siyang pinuproblema or hindi makatulog sa gabi. Merong iniisip. Okay. And sa palagay ko, parang it is because of the Emperor. This Emperor energy. Masculine energy. Or pwedeng ikaw yung masculine energy, Pisces. And ganito yung sitwasyon. Okay? 9 of Swords. Hindi na siya kailangang i-explain. Kasi kitang-kita naman yung sitwasyon ng taong tong dito. Okay? So, sa nararamdaman ko, it's either connected siya sa the Emperor. Pwedeng ito yung dahilan kung bakit ganito yung sitwasyon mo. Okay? Or pwedeng si the Emperor yung ganito yung sitwasyon. Pwedeng ikaw to Pisces or you're dealing with someone na masculine energy na ganito yung estado niya. Okay? Or pwede din na coming from this 9 of Swords na you're overthinking, you're stressing, you're something na parang nakakapag-frustrate sa'yo into stepping in your own throne, into your own power. Okay? Parang there's a transition of it. Okay? So, take nyo lang po kung saan mag-resonate. So, coming from despair to empowerment. Okay, Pisces. So, pwede you're dealing with an Aries sign too kasi the Emperor means Aries. Page of Wands. Okay. So, pwede you're dealing with an fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Magandang, okay, Knight of Wands and okay, sobrang ganda. The Magician. There's a transition, Pisces. There's a transition sa sitwasyon na ito. Okay? So, again, pwedeng it's either you're dealing with the Emperor or pwedeng si the Emperor itong sitwasyon na ito, okay? Or pwedeng ikaw, si the Emperor coming from this situation into the Emperor energy, okay? And kahit ano man yung sitwasyon dito, maganda na yung tatlong susunod na mga cards, okay? Kasi Page of Wands and Knight of Wands and the Magician. Page of Wands, this person or pwedeng ikaw is more focusing on something na mas maganda, mas kailangan, mas importante, okay? Or something na parang meron kang pinaplano, meron kang binibigyan ng panibagong oras sa ibang sitwasyon sa buhay mo kaysa sa magproblema ng ganito. Okay? Or, pwedeng you're dealing with someone na the Emperor energy and this person will para siyang magti-take siya ng action towards you kasi meron tayo ditong Knight of Wands. And this person is planning something for you. Okay? And after that planning, after that situation na kumbaga nagpre-prepare itong taong to, meron siyang big step na gagawin sa'yo. Okay? Pwedeng magta-travel itong taong to towards you or pwede merong involved na traveling. Okay? Napapunta sa'yo. Okay? So, Coming from this Nine of Swords na the Emperor, ito yung mga sitwasyon, posibleng sitwasyon na mangyayari for Pisces, okay? So, kung hindi naman to about something like preparing from the Emperor, okay? Kung ikaw man to Pisces, again, pwede meron kang pinagbibigyan ng energy, oras, panahon, okay? Yung mga importante, yung mga panibagong opportunities na darating for you, you're taking a big step for your life, okay? And sobra itong magiging maganda yung daloy sa sitwasyon na ito. Ito yung magiging reason kung bakit makakagawa ka ng lahat, okay? You can do everything, Pisces, okay? Or you're getting your all manifestations in life. Kasi meron tayo ditong the Magician, and this card represents as powerful, okay? Kumbaga, again, bigla ko naisip yung word na powerful because of this Magician, and kanina nasabi natin yung empowerment, okay? So it's all about power, of course, responsibilities, kumbaga situation na kung saan alam mo na kung ano yung strength mo, alam mo na kung ano yung, kumbaga, sobra mong matured, Pisces, okay? And yung sitwasyon, decision in life because of this situation is sobrang kahanga-hanga, okay? Kung ano man yung magiging decision mo because of this Page of Wands and Knight of Wands, everything is, kumbaga, will turn into better. Okay? Kahanga-hanga yung kumbaga, decision making mo, yung wisdom mo sa sarili mo, okay? Kumbaga, ang dami mong natutunan because of this Nine of Swords. And after that Nine of Swords, ito na yung magagandang bagay na darating sa'yo, okay? Sobrang ganda yung transition ng reading natin dito, okay? And everything will fall into place, everything that you feel like you're manifesting of it, ito na yung parang nakatadhana sa iyo, okay? Everything you like is darating for you, okay? You are destined. Hindi mo siya magugustuhan, hindi ka mag-crave sa ganung sitwasyon kung hindi yun para sa iyo, Pisces, okay? So manifest everything na magaganda para yun yung darating sa iyo. Kumbaga, kung ano yung binigay mo sa universe, yun yung babalik sa iyo, okay? So think positive, think happiness, think kumbaga greatness in life, Pisces, okay? Kung ano man yung Nine of Swords, the reason of this kind, the reason of this situation, it's either merong connection sa the Emperor or wala. Attract positivity, attract happiness, attract abundance, Pisces, okay? Kasi after this kind of situation, magaganda na yung susunod na mga cards, okay? So, yun lang po yung reading. It's either mag-resonate man to sa inyo or hindi. This is the possibility of what will happen in the next week for you, Pisces, from October 16 to October 22, 2023. Okay? Naway nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reading. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like and mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and ang ating isang channel na Gel Tarot Guide na makikita po sa description box below. Click niyo lang po yung link dyan. And click the notification bell, Pisces, for you to receive the notification from next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless.